Welcome to Central Hotel here in the heart of the Medina in Casablanca. It's a great location if you want to go to the new city or stay in the Medina itself. It's about a 7-minute walk to Casaport, where you can catch a train throughout Morocco or to the airport. And the best thing is about 15-minute walk to Hassan II Mosque. And this hotel is so popular that this is the only room that is free for me to shoot tonight. It has an ensuite bathroom with cable TV and an amazing view of the city. So after a long day, I'm just hanging out on my terrace and enjoying the view of the Medina. I hope you have a chance to visit and experience the same thing.